When it comes to Restomods, the goal is usually to breathe new life into a classic vehicle while keeping its authenticity intact. Legacy Overland, a renowned Connecticut-based restoration company, has certainly mastered this art with their work on this 1977 Toyota FJ45 Land Cruiser. The FJ45 is an iconic off-roading machine known for its ruggedness and endurance. But Legacy Overland took things to another level by rebuilding this Aussie-spec model from the ground up. To begin the restoration process, Legacy Overland stripped the Land Cruiser down to its bare frame. They didn't just give it a fresh coat of paint or slap on some new wheels. They meticulously repaired the frame, sandblasted it, and then coated it in epoxy before applying a final layer of paint. This deep cleaning process ensured that the base of the vehicle would be as solid as it could be for the extensive rebuild. Once the frame was solid and ready, Legacy started focusing on the heart of the FJ45, the engine. Out went the old powertrain, and in went a Toyota 4.5-liter six-cylinder engine from an FJ80 Land Cruiser, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and transfer case. This new engine brings a considerable performance upgrade while maintaining the Land Cruiser's characteristic durability. But the mechanical upgrades didn't stop at the engine. Legacy Overland also added new drive shafts, a more powerful radiator, and modern brake rotors on all four corners, improving the vehicle's reliability and safety. Perhaps one of the most significant enhancements was raising the ride height by 2.5 inches using Old Man Emu RB leaf springs and shocks. This gives the FJ45 an even greater level of off-road capability, allowing it to tackle difficult terrains with ease and comfort. The exterior design keeps the original Land Cruiser look intact while giving it a fresh and modern twist. Finished in a classic dune beige color, this Land Cruiser screams adventure. Steel 16-inch wheels with chrome hubcaps give it that authentic, rugged look, and the matching dune beige soft top completes the exterior overhaul. Every element of the truck is designed to enhance its off-roading potential while keeping the vintage aesthetic intact. Inside, Legacy Overland paid great attention to the details, ensuring that the cabin is as comfortable as it is functional. The original steering wheel was carefully restored, and the company added new Dakota digital gauges for a more modern driving experience. A custom sound system was installed for those long off-road drives, along with air conditioning to keep things cool during warmer months. The newly trimmed leather seats provide comfort and style, making this FJ45 a true pleasure to drive. While the restoration process might have been a costly endeavor, Legacy Overland has created a Land Cruiser that blends modern upgrades with classic charm. The result is a 1977 Toyota FJ45 that looks, drives, and feels better than ever before. This Restomod is a testament to the craftsmanship of Legacy Overland and the timeless appeal of the Toyota Land Cruiser. If you're a fan of off-road vehicles and appreciate the blend of classic design with modern technology, this FJ45 Land Cruiser Restomod is the perfect example of how a vehicle can be transformed into something extraordinary. Legacy Overland has truly done justice to this iconic off-roader, ensuring that it not only stays true to its roots, but also offers a thrilling driving experience for the modern era.